So the BJP's government in Delhi after 27 long years. So the focus will be on how the government performs. It's a new government, but challenges pretty much remain the same. The double-engine government of the BJP has to clean the Yamuna, has to clean Delhi's air, strengthen the crippling infrastructure, fulfill all of its bold promises, all on a tight budget.
BJP's Delhi Wapasi after 27 long years. Double-engine government takes shape in the national capital after the saffron sweep that toppled Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party. The government is new, but the challenges remain same. The biggest challenge, air pollution in Delhi. Delhi's hazardous air quality, a major concern for citizens, has been stuck in a cycle of blame game for many years now. Delhi government under Aam Aadmi Party pinned the blame for pollution on stubble burning in Punjab before it won power in that state. After forming its government in Punjab, Aam Aadmi Party claimed that big progress in checking pollution. BJP, on the other hand, attacked Aam Aadmi Party for not doing enough to check pollution. Now the BJP gets a chance to walk the talk and clean Delhi's air. Cleaning the garbage mountains of Delhi is a challenge in itself. These are the man-made mountains of trash and garbage. The Ghazipur mountain of rubbish is bigger than the Taj Mahal, and it is only getting worse. Climbing this mountain won't be easy for the BJP. Yamuna became the biggest flashpoint during the Delhi Assembly polls. It is also one of the important poll promises made by the BJP. The party has vowed to clean the Yamuna River in the next 3 years. Images of the LG supervising cleanup have gone viral after the assembly results. The previous Aam Aadmi Party regime was charged with lack of infrastructure development. The new government will have to address problems like potholed roads, waterlogging, and other civic woes. The middle-class voters of Delhi also expect the BJP to jump-start flyovers and other infra projects. The last big challenge will be to implement freebies announced in the manifesto without damaging the city's finances. It will be a tough task as the party had promised to continue existing schemes in addition to new ones like 2,500 rupees to women and cylinders at 500 rupees for the poor. Having come to power in Delhi after 27 years, the BJP is under tremendous pressure to meet people's expectations. Bureau Report, India Today.
So Rekha Gupta has taken over as Chief Minister from another woman, from Atishi. And by making her the Delhi Chief Minister, the BJP is perhaps seeking to build on the legacy of women Chief Ministers that Delhi's had for about 16 years since 1993.
Delhi is no stranger to women Chief Ministers. The city-state has a history of women leaders holding office. Rekha Gupta will be the 4th woman to head Delhi government and the 9th Chief Minister of the national capital. It was 37 years ago when BJP's Sushma Swaraj was chosen as Delhi's first woman Chief Minister. Elected in 1988, Sushma Swaraj, a firebrand BJP leader, was Chief Minister for 52 days. At 46, she was Information and Broadcasting Minister in the Vajpayee cabinet when Swaraj was appointed as Chief Minister to counter internal party conflicts. In her short stint, Sushma Swaraj was known for her firefighting capabilities. Delhi's second woman Chief Minister, Sheila Dikshit, came to power in 1998.
मैं मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्य का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगी।
Dixit held the post for 3 consecutive terms, 15 years. The Congress leader ruled Delhi with an iron fist. It was under Sheila Dixit's government when the city expanded its metro network, transformed public transportation and overhauled its healthcare system.
मैं आतिशी ईश्वर की शपथ लेती हूँ कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगी।
In 2024, after AAP's Arvind Kejriwal quit his post amid Liquorgate probe, Atishi stepped up as Delhi's new chief minister for 6 months. With Rekha Gupta taking charge, the legacy of women leading in Delhi continues. Bureau Report, India Today.